Welcome back, my friends, to this week's Creative Art Collective. I hope you're all having a good day, and today I'm going to be creating a beautiful big bloom using a hairdryer on a 13-inch round canvas with white cell activator. And if you're new here, I'm Taz from Taslima Art, and you can join my free private Facebook group to share your wonderful creations and be inspired by other fellow artists. It's called Acrylic Pouring and Mixed Media by Taslima Art. A heartfelt thank you goes out to all my current Patreon and channel members for supporting this channel. And I'm super excited to welcome Johnny from Johnny Dark Art Creatorium, who's joining us as our guest artist today, and up after him will be Kat's Fluid Art Creations and then Sheldon Briscoe of Sheleeart Art. Please do stay with us. And remember, you can join me on Patreon on a free or paid tier for additional art perks. Now, if you're a beginner in acrylic pouring and you want a step-by-step paint mixing video, check out video number 212 on my channel. So my friends, let's get started. I hope you're all doing well today. Here in front of us I have this lovely 12-inch diameter round cotton canvas, and this one's from Cass Art in the UK, and I'm just going to unwrap that for us, and I'll be pouring on this a beautiful big bloom with lots of juicy cells. My colours, my paints are mixed with Awaitrol at a 2:1 ratio, so 2 parts Awaitrol and 1 part paint. I'm just showing you my consistency of my paint, and you can see that it's relatively thick, about a 3-second trace, and I've got lots of different brands here. I've got Amsterdam, Arteza, Pebeo, and even some colour art pigments mixed up. And again, you can see the mixing video on my channel. It's video 212. And this is the gorgeous boysenberry pigment from Colour Art, and I do have a discount code if you want to go purchase anything before they shut the doors. It's Taslima 523. I am quite excited today because I'm going to be blowing this out using a hairdryer, and I haven't done too many of these, and in the last few weeks I did a few smaller coasters, but I'm looking forward to doing something a bit bigger today. This is my cell activator. It's Aussie Floetrol with titanium white from Amsterdam, and that's 3:1 ratio. So I'm ready to put down my pillow paint, and the pillow acts as a supportive structure, so it goes down on the lowest level, it goes straight onto your canvas. I'm using Valspar Silk Walls and Ceiling, and again, this is from the UK. You can get it in B&Q, but there are lots of alternative similar house paints that you can use in eggshell or satin or silk. I'm just popping any bubbles here because I did just add about 10% water to this to thin it down a little from the tub. And just be very careful when using any open flames. Naked flames are very dangerous, so please use all safety precautions. And now it's time to layer my paints. So let's play some music.
I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of
I don't think that I'm being that selfish right now. You said yourself you'd be breaking every vow. I can understand you're tired of this town, and I'm not saying that we have to settle down now. Just remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. Stardust, stardust. I'm the lazy one, so I guess I should have known. You said yourself you wanna do this alone. What if your dreams are making it hard to think straight? If you still love me, I can wait, I can wait. And remember this: we could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you. I don't think you're supposed to go. Maybe I'm just too slow. We should just leave together. We could have been stardust, same world but without us. Something made us find each other out there. Made us realize we're more than just stardust. Ignore this fact if you must, to do what your dreams are telling you to do. And I'll be out there looking for someone like you.
like you always do, like you always do. Hold my hand and look me in the eyes so I can tell you how I feel, tell you how I feel. Every day is something new if I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now, you right now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now. How you move and what you do has made me so crazy about you now. Now we can go anywhere you like and do anything you want, anything you want. 'Cause every day is something new if I spend it with you, with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now. Oh, I need you right now, you right now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now. My world is spinning round, round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, round, round. And I want you now, and I want you now, and I want you now. Don't be sad, don't be lonely. Don't you know that I love you only? Just be mine, and I'll be yours forevermore. Don't shed a tear, don't hang your head and cry, for no we can make it,
We can make it.
make it if we try. Just be mine, and I'll be yours forevermore. Let's stick together, and you will see. Come rain or come shine, you'll be happy with me. So just be mine, and I'll be yours forevermore.
So my friends, I hope you enjoyed that gorgeous cluster of Jellybean cells on that artwork. And up after me today will be the amazing Johnny Dark from Johnny Dark's Art Creatorium. Let's give our guest artist some support. See you over there.